Welcome to our lecture on financial management. Today we will talk about payout policy. Let's begin. Payout policy is a critical aspect of corporate financial management, determining how a company distributes its earnings to shareholders. This policy balances shareholder expectations, corporate growth opportunities, and prevailing market conditions. The importance of payout policy stems from its ability to signal management's confidence in the company's financial health. It significantly influences investor perception, the firm's market valuation, and how profits are allocated between reinvestment and direct returns. A company with steady payouts is often seen as financially stable, while one reinvesting all profits may be perceived as growth-oriented. Corporations utilize several mechanisms to distribute value, including cash dividends, stock dividends, and share repurchases. Special dividends and liquidating dividends are also used under specific circumstances. Cash dividends are regular payments made from net profits, typically quarterly, demonstrating financial strength and attracting income-oriented investors. However, they reduce cash reserves, create investor expectations, and may limit flexibility during economic downturns. For investors, cash dividends provide predictable income and signal management confidence preferred by income-focused and risk-averse individuals. The downsides include being taxed as income, potentially indicating limited reinvestment opportunities, and stock price drops on the ex-dividend date. Stock dividends distribute additional shares instead of cash, conserving company cash while signaling long-term growth. They can also broaden ownership and increase trading liquidity. However, stock dividends do not directly transfer value, increase administrative complexity, and can dilute earnings per share. For investors, stock dividends offer tax-free shares and opportunities for capital appreciation without immediate tax liability. The drawbacks include no immediate income and a proportional decrease in value per share. Share repurchases or buybacks occur when a company buys back its own shares from the open market, reducing outstanding shares. This enhances earnings per share, signals confidence in undervaluation, and provides flexibility. However, buybacks can be seen as financial engineering, may use funds for productive investments, and risk buying shares at inflated prices. For investors, repurchases offer potential share value increase due to reduced supply and tax efficiency compared to dividends. They also signal management confidence in company fundamentals. The cons include no guaranteed return and the possibility that companies repurchase shares for executive compensation rather than shareholder value. Special dividends are one-time cash payments following unusually strong earnings or asset sales, signaling profitability and excess liquidity. However, they may signal a lack of future profitable investment opportunities and reduce retained earnings. For investors, special dividends provide an immediate, substantial cash return and are viewed as a reward for loyalty. The main drawbacks are that they are typically taxable as ordinary income and are irregular, so they cannot be relied upon for consistent income. Liquidating dividends distribute cash or assets during company closure or restructuring, facilitating an orderly return of capital. This signals the end of operations or business continuity loss for investors, allowing complete capital repatriation. The dividend signaling theory suggests that dividend changes convey important information about a company's future profitability to investors. Increases in dividends are often followed by stock price gains, while cuts can signal instability. Payout policy is a complex balancing act, requiring firms to weigh trade-offs like taxation, liquidity, and signaling effects. Ultimately, the goal is to optimize shareholder value while maintaining financial flexibility for future growth opportunities. Understanding these payout mechanisms is crucial for college students studying financial management. Thank you for watching our lecture on financial management focusing on the payout policy. See you at the next lecture.